Nodal analysis.
Which one method? Nodal analysis, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you use node analysis. That means here you represent node. Then you can calculate the value of by applying nodal analysis also, or by applying KVL or mesh analysis. याच्यामधला एक करंट, याच्यामध्ये एक करंट आणि या ओपन सर्किटेड लूप मध्ये एक करंट. ऑल करंट फाइंड करून फायनली VTH चे इक्वेशन लिहू शकता, त्याच्यावरून पण व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट होईल. Otherwise, by applying source transformation, you can calculate the value also. Source transformation चा use करून पण value calculate करता येते. Okay. So I will use source transformation and solve this question. Then you will understand that by applying a multiple ways or the multiple technology, we can solve this problem. See here. Here it is one current source in parallel with that of resistor, so we can convert it into voltage source and series with resistor. Current source आणि त्याच्या पॅरल मध्ये रेजिस्टन्स आहे, त्याचं कन्वर्जन आपण व्होल्टेज सोर्स आणि सिरीज मध्ये रेजिस्टन्स मध्ये करू शकतो. ओके, नाउ सी, जस्ट डू दॅट अगेन. हियर इट इज वन व्होल्टेज सोर्स in series with, that means we reduce the network in series with resistance is there. So this voltage source and series with resistor we can convert into current source in parallel with resistor. Again this parallel resistance and this one parallel resistance we can find out the equivalent resistance. याचा equivalent resistance find करू शकतो. Then current source in parallel with resistance येईल, तो current source आणि parallel with resistance it can be converted into one voltage source in series with resistor. याच्यामध्ये convert करू शकतो. And then one simple loop or one single loop can be find out. Single loop find out होईल, single loop वरून आपण VTH ची value calculate करू शकतो. Okay, so see, do here the find out the voltage V, that is V is equals to IR. I is nothing but 6, R is nothing but 5, is nothing but 30 volt. Okay, so voltage V is equals to 30 volt. Check the direction. So current always flowing from negative to positive, so it becomes this direction is negative, this direction is positive. So while drawing a network, suppose I will draw a network positive to negative, sorry, negative to positive. Here it is 30 volt. And the resistance it is in series 5 volt, 5 ohm it is in series, plus here it is 10 ohm, so it becomes 15 ohm. I will just do the summation of this resistor. Here it is terminal A, here it is terminal B. Okay, we want to calculate VTH. Again simplify this side, equally side simplify kara. So this one is nothing but 16 volt voltage and 10 ohm resistor are in series combination, so we can convert it into current source in parallel with that of resistor. So याच्यावरून I calculate करा, I is equals to 16 divided by 10 is nothing but 1.6. आणि parallel resistance म्हणजे हा resistance parallel मध्ये येईल इथं 10 ohm. Again we solve this parallel combination, 10 into 10 it becomes 100 divided by 10 plus 10 it is nothing but 20. So 100 divided by 20 it is nothing but 5. 100 divided by 20 it is nothing but 5 in. 5 ohm resistor, I will directly write here 5 ohm resistor, it is in parallel with that of current source ची direction पण बघा. So it is in parallel with that of current source of 1.6 ampere direction, it is in upward direction. Okay, here it is 5 ohm. Now again we convert this into voltage source in series with resistor. याचं conversion voltage source आणि series मध्ये करा. So 1.6 into 5, 1.6 into 5 it is nothing but 8 volt deal. So and in series with resistor, so I will draw here, I will simplify here also. So here it is resistance in series with that of voltage source. So this is the positive and this is the negative terminal. Voltage is nothing but 8 volt. The voltage is 8 volt and resistance have 5. Now this will find out of one single loop. एकच loop मिळालं because this is the open circuit. So when we apply KVL to that loop, या loop ला KVL apply केला की आपल्याला I ची value मिळेल, current I. Here it is resistance of 50 ohm, 5 ohm. So just apply, that is minus 30 just apply KVL. So it becomes minus 30 minus 15I minus 5I minus 8, it is equals to 0. Okay, याच्यावरून I ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल आपल्याला. So current I is equals to minus 30 minus 8 is nothing but minus 38, minus 15 minus 5 is nothing but minus 20. So it becomes minus 20I. It is equals to minus 38 right hand side la shift केलं, it becomes plus 38. According to this, we will get the value of current I. I is equals to काय येईल value? I is equals to 38 minus 20. किती येते व्हॅल्यू? What is the value? 38 divided by 20. Divided by minus 20, it becomes minus 1.9. Okay, minus 1.9 ampere. I want to calculate the VTH across terminal A and B or VAB across terminal A and B. So for that, just apply or writing VAB equation. VAB equation लिहिण्यासाठी कुठल्याही एका लूपला KVL अप्लाय करा. सपोज I will apply a first loop. First loop ला अप्लाय केलं काय येईल? minus 30 minus 15 I minus VAB, it is equals to 0. मला VAB ची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करायची, तो VAB I have shifted to the right hand side. VAB is equals to minus 30 minus 15 into 1.9. Sorry, minus 1.9. किती येते व्हॅल्यू सांगा मला? 15 into minus 1.9. So 15 into 1.9. This becomes minus into minus, it becomes plus, that is 28.5. So minus 30 plus 28.5. Minus 30 plus 28.5 is nothing but minus 1.5. VAB, it is equals to minus 1.5. Okay, VAB, it is equals to minus 1.5 volt. ओके, समजले का? हॅलो, all of you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you apply KVL also, you apply KCL also, or you apply node analysis, or it may be you apply a source transformation. म्हणजे जी टेक्निक तुम्हाला सोपी वाटेल आणि ती टेक्निक वापरल्यानंतर लगेच आन्सर मिळेल अशी टेक्निक यूज करा आणि सॉल्व्ह करा. ओके, सो दिस इज द आन्सर इज नथिंग बट minus 1.5 of this given question. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, then write down next question. I will clear this. Next one question is that in the circuit shown in figure below, the maximum power transfer to the resistor R, it is in watt. Where it is resistor R, so see here it is resistor R. You want to find out the maximum power transfer, that is P max. P max find करायचं आहे, maximum power, and resistance R is given. Across this resistance R, so just apply Thevenin's theorem. That is procedure is similar to that of Thevenin's theorem. First of all, find out VTH, next find out RTH, and then finally RTH is equals to RL, or find out the value of R, and then find out the maximum power transfer. Okay, so all of you try to solve and give me the answer. All of you try for solving this and tell me the answer. hello, can anyone solve केले कुणी? Please put your answer. What is the maximum power P max? It is in the watt. Please put your answer. No one solve. I think no one solve. हाँ, येते का solve करो? Can I solve this? Okay, answer from Swapnali 3.025. From Anil 3.025. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Which method you have used, Swapnali? Hello. Which method? Swapnali, I am asking you, which method you have used? Hello. By which technique you have got the 3.025 answer? By using KVL. Okay. Okay, okay. Anil, which method you have used? You also use KVL. Okay. Okay. So see, so though while using KVL, I think you have used a KVL for all loop. That is, here it is first one loop, here it is second one loop, here it is third one loop. Current is already given, that is I3 is already given, or I4, and again here it is loop. Okay, so you have find out this three loop. Here this current is given because, and you use three loop or three mesh analysis while solving this current, and then we'll find out the VTH find out kille apan. Okay, so first of all we will remove this load resistance apan remove kela, so again it will make a single loop, एक single loop will. So according to this you will got a 3.025 answer. Okay, so again this method, this problem, it can be solved, or while calculating the VTH you will use another technique also, either by using, here also you use the source transformation, use करू शकता इथेही बघा. सोर्स ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन म्हणजे मला नेटवर्क रिड्यूस करायचं आहे फक्त. सो अगेन हियर इट इज व्होल्टेज सोर्स इन पॅरलल विथ दॅट ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स, दिस रेजिस्टन्स इट बिकम्स रिडंडंट. हा रेजिस्टन्स काय होईल, रिडंडंट होईल किंवा रिमूव्ह होऊन जाईल. नाउ सिमिलरली नेटवर्क येईल आपलं, दॅट इज our network is that here it is positive, here it is negative, this one is voltage source, this resistance it can be removed, so it becomes open circuited terminal. We want to find out VTH, RTH here, then again here it is voltage source. We have removed this 3 ohm resistor. So here voltage source is nothing but -2 plus 6 volt. Then we apply source transformation here. या लूपला मी सोर्स ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन यूज करतो. दॅट मीन्स व्होल्टेज सोर्स इन सिरीज विथ रेजिस्टर. काय येईल बघा, व्होल्टेज सोर्स 5 into 2 it becomes 10 volt voltage source. So here it is resistor आणि हा 10 voltचा voltage source. Okay, so we have simplify this network in a one step, single step मध्ये आपण simplify केलं नेटवर्क हे. So this becomes direction check करा, negative to positive, so it becomes negative upward side ला येईल, positive इथे येईल. So this voltage is nothing but 10 volt. 10 volt, 5 ohm resistor, then here it is also 5 ohm resistor. Now you just apply KVL apply करा याला या single loop ला. According to this you will get the value of current I ची value मिळेल. So we will apply KVL, that is 5 minus 5I plus 6 minus 5I plus 10. It is equals to 0. So 10 plus 6 plus 5. 10 plus 6 plus 5, it is nothing but 21, and minus 5 minus 5, it is nothing but minus 10i. Minus 10i shifted to the right hand side, so it becomes 10i. According to I is equals to 21 divided by 10. 21 divided by 10 kiti? 2.1. Okay, 21 divided by 10, it is nothing but 2.1 ampere. Current मिळाला. Now we apply or we write a VTH equation. इथला VTH मला find out करायचं आहे, so we will write the VTH equation. VTH equation लिहा. So it becomes 5 minus 5i. I will just put the value of I here also, 2.1. Then minus VTH. किती येते VTH ची व्हॅल्यू बघा याच्यावरून. It is equals to 0. So 5 minus 5 into 2.1 minus VTH right hand side ला shift करतो, so it becomes VTH is equals to किती येते व्हॅल्यू? 5 minus 5 into 2.1. Hello. किती येते व्हॅल्यू? VTH. It becomes minus 5.5 volt. Okay. Again we find out the RTH. RTH find करण्यासाठी all voltage source are short circuited. That means this resistance is remaining and this resistance is remaining. In between that, this RTH. इथं RTH येईल. So just these two resistances are in parallel to each other. So it becomes 5 into 5 divided by 5 plus 5. It becomes 10. 25 divided by 10 is nothing but 2.5. RTH ची value आली 2.5. And do you know that Pmax formula? Formula for Pmax, maximum power, it is equals to VTH square. VTH square is nothing but 5.5 square, 5.5 square divided by 4 into RTH. 4 into RTH is nothing but 4 into 2.5. किती येते आन्सर आहे? किती येते बघा आन्सर?
3.025.
3.025. Okay, 3.025 watt. That is unit विसरू नका. That is 3.025 watt. So this is the Pmax or maximum power by applying or by reduction of this network. नेटवर्क रिडक्शन करून सोर्स ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशनचा यूज करून आपण सॉल्व्ह केला. हाच प्रॉब्लेम आपण केबीएल न पण सॉल्व्ह करू शकतोय. सिमिलरली दिस प्रॉब्लेम इट कॅन बी सॉल्व्ह बाय युजिंग केसीएल ऑल्सो. ओके, बघा केसीएल ने यूज केलं तर इथे एक नोड येईल, हा एक नोड असेल, अँड हिअर इट इज अनदर वन नोड. या दोन नोडला केसीएल अप्लाय केला की तुम्हाला या पॉइंटचे व्होल्टेज मिळेल. सपोज हिअर व्हीए रिप्रेझेंट केला असेल तर व्हीए मिळेल. ओके, so this is the solution. I will give one problem for homework. See, answer 3 to 3.1. 3 to 3.1, that means in between that it is the correct answer. या दोन्हीच्या मध्ये असेल, it is the correct answer. Okay, so hence we will conclude this today's lecture, ADD lecture, and we will stop here. Thank you.